In this video, I'm going to show you how to join Priority Pass with your American Express card. If you have an eligible Amex card, you can access over 1,300 airport lounges worldwide for free or at a discounted rate. So check if your Amex card qualifies because not all Amex cards offer Priority Pass membership. So first, check it if yours does. So eligible cards include Amex Platinum card, personal and business. So and also the Amex Business Gold and Amex Green and then the co-branded Amex cards. Now, to enroll in Priority Pass, make sure you log into your American Express account at the American Express official website and then navigate to the benefits section and then look for the Priority Pass website and then you will see there the enroll now. Click that and then you'll be redirected to the Priority Pass website to complete your registration. Now, to activate and receive your membership after enrolling, you'll receive a confirmation email with your Priority Pass membership details. And then your digital membership card will available immediately via the Priority Pass app and the physical card may be mailed to you within 7 to 14 days. And then you can also download the Priority Pass app on your phone to easily access lounges and then use the app to research or search for lounges and then check entry requirements and access your digital membership card for entry. At the airport, head to Priority Pass lounge and then show your digital or physical Priority Pass card along with your boarding pass and then enjoy free food, drinks, Wi-Fi and comfortable seating before your flight. And that's it. That's how you join Priority Pass with Amex. With this benefit, you can enjoy premium airport lounges worldwide. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.